Well, this weather is a little bit of a shock to the system this morning, waking up the temperatures well down into the teens. We warned you about this, and it's certainly here. We're looking at 10 degrees this morning for Defiance, 12 Deshler, Paulding, and Findlay. We have 13 Lima and Bluffton. The warmest readings in our southern counties, we're at 16 right now in Sidney and for Bellefontaine. In fact, looking at temperatures, you know, we have been very spoiled. Needless to say, looking at the month so far, we're now at the last day of the month. You know, yesterday was only the second time this whole month of January, which is our coldest month on average for the whole winter. We only had 2 days prior to today that were below freezing for the high. So what an incredible month. In fact, when you look at the data for our area, the only year is 2006. You might remember that. That was a very warm January. That's the only one that was warmer than this one as it stands right now. So we'll see if we get knocked down into number 3 after this cold weather today. But again, it's not going to do much. At this point, we're in that very warm January as far as where we're going to average out, certainly in the top 3. So this morning, we're quiet out there. We've got some clearing of the clouds, and that has also allowed us to cool down. In any areas, especially some of those rural areas to have some snow on the ground, you get those localized pockets where it can get colder because that snowpack just naturally allows for those air temperatures to get chilled down. We have some snow. And not all of this is snow. Some of this is freezing rain and some sleet that has been falling over the southern portions of the state. In fact, areas like Columbus and Dayton also got in on some of this wintry weather last night. So if you're heading south, just keep in mind there is the chance there could be some slick roads southern parts of the state this morning. But around here, no weather issues. In fact, we're looking at a quiet day today. We'll have partly cloudy skies for us. And as we go throughout the middle of the week, we're watching high pressure build in. So we're going to stay nice and dry out there. Some sunshine on the way for us. We'll have more sunshine tomorrow with partly to even mostly sunny skies. So again, the sunshine is something that we haven't had much of this season, so that'll be a nice change this week. So we're looking ahead into Thursday. We stay nice and quiet. There is going to be a nice warm-up Thursday, but you see this cold front right here. That's going to come down and erase any warmth here and bring back some very cold weather by Friday. So looking at our temperature trend for today, those teens will rise into the low 20s, and that's about it. 21, 22, maybe 23, and that's it for us today. But look at tonight. We're down to about 9. In fact, we are forecasting a low of 9 tomorrow morning for Lima and upper 20s for our Wednesday, but at least we'll have sunshine, and the winds will be fairly light. And we'll get a brief warm-up here on Thursday with temperatures in the upper 30s, and then we crash back down on Friday with another cold front. In fact, we're only at 18 for our high on Friday, and then we start to warm up this weekend back to 45 by Sunday and up to 50 by a week from today.